Let me see. Can you guys hear me? Can G hear me? Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay. Oh yeah, I could see the chat. I was wondering why I cannot see the chat. Okay, I could see the chat now. Alrighty, that sounds good now. Okay. I want to make sure I get to see the chat. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I can see the chat now. Let's see. Let's get everything ready. All right. Good morning. Good morning. We have a new member. Good morning, everyone. R3070. Good morning. Mr. G. Good morning. Yeah, so much news in Middle East. Correct with that. So I'm really happy we set up a new streaming way through YouTube. And thank you for being patient with me. I know we have a schedule. We jump from one platform to other platform because I'm still new. I still need to advertise myself. So I appreciate that. So it helps the algorithms to do that. So there is a news trade and the news were not great. So actually a lot of people tell you not to trade the news. I trade the news all the time. So there's a couple ways to trade the news, right? So you can put both, you could put a short way here and a long way here and it'll grab your order. Or my favorite way, because I'm a reversal trader, is to wait about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, see, that's exactly 4 minutes after the news. It will retrace at least 50%. So I feel a lot safer with this. Right, so I love trading the news, and it's not a very popular opinion. I saved a lot of accounts with news. We all been in a drawdown that we don't want to admit, right? So I saved a lot of my accounts with news trade, and you'll see the same pattern over and over and over again. Yeah. Right. So, and Ellie's texting me saying that, her review for the week that she does it for herself, but she's sharing with us too. It's actually did exactly where the level she talked about too. So it is predictable. We just have to be prepared. When it comes to trading, we have to be prepared. We have to know our levels and then react. Right. So, so one of my 2 ways I trade, I'm going to repeat. I So like right before the news, I will put a sell right here and a buy right here. And as soon as it hits, like in this case, would I hit it this way, I had to cancel this one and trail my stop. My second bet, well, actually the first one is to save an account if I'm like in a really drawdown. And the next one is wait for it to, this is not the right way to go, right? So it's gonna have a couple more flushes. So I see like it's about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, it has a reversal. To be honest with you, around 5 minutes has a reversal. And then it's a little bit safer because this pattern you will probably see every single time. It's a very reliable pattern. Let's see. So as a reversal trader, I look for a particular pattern. And another thing that is really, really good, this is just a free indicator, just a simple volume on TradingView. You see the volume, but you also see the colors. If it's red, if it's green, if it's red, if it's green. So you want the green to be bigger than the red. So let me stretch it out and show you what I'm talking about. Can you see how this green, it's bigger candle than the red? Right? This green is bigger than the red. So it just gives you a little bit more confirmation. It's hard to watch everything. I understand. I watch the time. So after the news, in 5 minutes, so this was, see right here, the 5 minutes was exactly here. It gives me confirmation to do for the reversal. With reversals during the open, there's a couple times that, so hopefully we can catch today reversal too. All right, Irina is here. Good morning. Irina's been learning a lot here. I think she has improved a lot. Gee, I just answered your question. What patterns do you see with the news? So that's the pattern, exactly what I look for. I'll look for one thing only. All right, so let's see. G is saying it's raining in London. For us, it's really nice and sunny. We went to the pool yesterday, and yeah, definitely different than London. I know you guys had a really big, not a big, very, very hot couple days. Yeah. Any questions before? We'll see. Right now, it is accumulating, right? So we sold off, we retraced back. So right now it's accumulation under this R2 level, which means second resistance. The magic level, a lot of times this is where a lot more buyers or sellers, depending how the right, it's the same thing. It's just how inverted the chart is. So right now it's really no trade zone based on the time and based on the time and based on the pattern. I believe that's the D Queen. Good morning, D Queen. She has been so observant about everything. I am so proud of her. So proud of her. She has been very absorbent, asking all the right questions, and I feel like she has grown so much. What is that you are looking at? I'm looking at NQ. So, but you guys know I trade small. It's MNQ, so I trade micros. So this is looking on MNQ. Let me see if I could fix the chart a little bit. There you go. There goes that better. You guys to see the MNQ. Yeah. So no, the D Queen is just joining. We talked about 2 ways to trade. Right now I'm not taking any trade because it's not my setup. So I was teaching how to trade the news, and there's 2 ways. One way is to put like a sell before the news or buy. You have to like give like a little bit of room to grab your order, not to grab both, not to wick you out. And I have saved a lot of accounts this way, and everybody will tell you do not trade the news. I'll be like, there's a lot of money to make on the news, and there's many ways to save your account on the news. But my one favorite trade on the news is wait 5 minutes, and that will mark 5 minutes right over here. And with 5 minutes from here, I go opposite, because regardless which way it went, I know it's going to retrace 50% of the move. So yeah, I think I caught everybody up to where we need to be. And later, if you still want it, we can jump on Discord and see if you guys have questions, because Discord allows you to have open mic, and we can go over that too. Yeah, yesterday we had a great lesson, right, to go through the settings of the stock setting. So I already posted the stocks, and the way that we look at the stocks is that I post it, you guys can buy it on the paper count or just do your own analysis, and you can check later, see how it worked out. We've been having a really great runs, like anywhere from 3, 5, 7, 10% per day, which is huge. And you have heard me saying this a lot, and you have seen it in the chat that Christy started this, but it's like the rule 327. So if you make 3% per day, you'll double your account in 27 days. So a lot, like Christy says, just like 3% in 30 days, that'll be a month and a half for us in the trading world. If we get runs on stocks anywhere from 5 to 7 to 10% per day, you'll get there faster. But obviously some days you're going to be stuck if you chose the wrong stock, and then just pulls, not the wrong stock, but it pulls against you for a little bit. So it's not that complicated to make 3% per day. Yeah, we've been having really great runs. And the one that I haven't posted yet for the, if you guys want to look for like swing, for the swing idea, is Coca-Cola. So it's KO, Coca-Cola. It's a good one. And then the other one is RPW, but I will post analysis today for the swing chat. But Coca-Cola is looking pretty good because it's a defense company. Any questions so far? Oh, everybody's good. You see the volume here too, right? So the volume is so not there for us. So that's a lot of where fake outs happens, because a lot of people put a buy right here and then it fakes you out. So the price action without volume is nothing, is meaningless. The hardest part of a trader is not to trade. So, any questions, anybody? Everybody is good? We're gonna be ready for the open. I'm afraid to play some music, because when I play music, I have that music that it's not licensed. No, it is okay to play, because I don't know what the word is. Not licensed, but I'm allowed to play. But it's such a not pretty music, so no music in the background. Because if I play the music that I want, then I get the algorithms nick me, and they don't like it. Let's see. Oh yeah, we have a couple of things to celebrate. Like we have a new person that joined. Copyright. Thank you. Copyrighted. Yes, my son, he put the whole list together of not copyrighted music, and I listened to it. I'm like, okay, I can't concentrate with this. So we have a new person to join. So what happens with YouTube, because we're trying to algorithms to like me more. So I trade here in the beginning, and if it's only our Discord people are here, we're gonna jump over to Discord, and then we'll have an open mic, and then we can answer all the questions, and you guys can talk too, not just to type. So thank you so much for joining. And then I know Ima is not here today. I don't see her, but she posted yesterday that she's eligible for her payout for the first time ever. So that's amazing. Yeah, so many good things happening for us. Oh, and actually Friday, I have, oh no, thank you so much. And when we go on open mic, you will tell us how would you like us to call it, because everybody has like their own name preferences. So on Friday, the lesson for psychology lesson, I'm really, really excited. I don't know why I'm excited. I think it's a very strong lesson for psychology. And we had a really good first lesson. And I know Jess, right? So Jess that you just joined, I did record a separate video of it on YouTube if you want to go the first lesson and catch up. And the second lesson, it gets a little bit more deep, a little bit more personal. And we had a really good feedback about the psychology. Yeah. So tomorrow we'll do the lesson 2. And we'll be in Discord so you guys can talk too. Yeah, right now it's no man's land. We are not gonna take the trade here for sure. Tesla is trying to recover, but tomorrow's a big day for Tesla, so we'll see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. G put in the trading psychology lesson number 1 link, and then tomorrow we'll do that lesson number 2. And so it's a four lessons total. So this month we're doing psychology. Yeah. I prefer Discord because you guys can talk. When you purchase a stock, do you also wait to place your order at a level or just any time? Not sure if that question does make sense. It makes 100% sense. So when I post a stock, I post the levels, and you see me trading futures because I put a limit buy at my levels. So let's say what happens is that I post the level here but I wanted to buy a little bit for confirmation, and the stock goes against me, so I never get filled. And then later I get filled at my levels, right? So that being said, like, I don't babysit them too much. It's level to level, and it does it for me. I don't say automatically because I preset my buy prices at my levels. The only thing that sometimes happens is that if the price is here and I want to buy here, sometimes it goes so fast it doesn't fill me. That happens too, especially if I place the price to buy price before the market open. So that happens too. But I pre-buy it, preset it, and it fills me, that's great. If it doesn't fill me, that's great. Yeah. Good morning, the queen. Yeah. 15 minutes till the open. Let's see. So right now it's a typical accumulation. They're accumulating, everybody. Okay, I'm looking at CMG that we posted on yesterday or the day before. Let me check. CMG, which is Chipotle, right? CMG. Okay, we posted 3 days ago. Okay, so it was at $29. Okay, so let me show you, since we have a little bit of time. I know stocks is a little bit harder. Yeah, of course, I love questions. So, and I can't. We'll go to the open mic soon too. Okay, so stocks. Let's see. So 30 seconds. So CMG has been doing pretty good. Yeah, the levels that we posted was around $29, which is, even look at that. Look at us. Yeah, so we posted right here $29. Yep, right before the breakout. Right, so we posted the level 3 days ago. Yeah, it was exactly 29, even lower than this. So let's just be generous. Let's say it was around 29.50, and it's been doing pretty good. So it took 3 days, right, to get here. So, but like with the swing trading, it's a little bit slower, but we can trade our futures and wait for some stocks to work for us. Okay. Let's see the music. I'm really not big on this music that I'm supposed to be playing. Let me see. Copyright music, right? But let's check.
For a limited time, hosts can earn $500.
See, when you do that, no copyright music, then you have commercials going. Let's see. We can try for a little bit, but any questions I can answer, anybody? Or you guys can wait till open mic too. That's And I've been looking at the charts like at the end of the day, even like on the Asia session. It's been really hard to trade, you guys. It has not been easy, so I don't want you to be harsh on yourself too. A lot of accounts been burnt. You're saying the heat map looks red today, yeah, because of the news. Definitely, yeah. Okay. I was
Imagine being able to build an app with your name.
I was able to log in the music through my other computer, so I can have my phone to watch more time frames. There you go. There you go. And then if you guys have me in the background and you're looking at your own charts, I always say like, don't worry, I will call out the trade like verbally. I understand you can't, watch just my chart. I get it. So like, I'll be like, okay, guys, I'm looking for long. Okay, I'm going in long. So I will verbally express that. So if you need to watch your chart, or if you watch gold, that's fine too, right? So I'll do my best for you not to miss my trade. Okay, 7 minutes till open. So it kind of wants to go long, right? It wants to break this line, right? It really, really wants to break this resistance. But like 5 minutes before the open, I do mention that a lot, the algorithms turn on. So we want to be very, very careful right before the open. Tesla is showing signs of recovery, so that's good. I just think this is the IPO tomorrow, right? Nope, it's not breaking the line. Do you think the NQ will be generous today or trying to make everyone lunch money? So the biggest volume already happened. So there was one trade and two trade. So honestly, it's one of those 50-50 gens, right? Let's see. $4 minutes. Do Do you guys get nervous? Your hands are sweating before open, or let's see. I know there was some news about Trump and on Iran. Two minutes, you guys. All right. Let's concentrate. 1 minute. Okay. So I'm a little bit bearish biased right now because of the way the news were. Right. So I think the beginning I'm a little bit bearish bias, meaning like probability wise it will be more short than long. Okay, here goes the open. So more sellers so far. Let's see. More sellers, yep. The wicks are there. The buyer is trying to defend, but not yet for me. We gotta be patient right now. I want to see how it reacts at this level right here first. Is it going to break through this level, the 700, basically 28,700 level? Or is it going to found the buyers here, right? So it's more bearish. only been 1 minute of open, so we're just being still patient. So it bounced exactly here, right? No trades yet for me. Buyers are trying to defend this level, but you see all these wicks, right? So the buyers trying, they try to lure in the buyers, but yeah, they want to sell it. So I think we need to see how it reacts here at this level. Yeah. Right? For me to go short, it needs to be more confirmation to go. And for me to go long, I need to see more stalling out, like more buyers stepping in. So it's only been 3 minutes. My chart is 30 seconds, so it looks like a lot of candles, but it's only been 3 minutes of the open. Is there a chance I'm going to miss the long of this level? 100%. But if I'm not 100%, I don't want to say 100%, because if I'm not sure exactly of my, I don't see my trade show up, then I don't go in. No trades yet for me. So I don't see a clear rejection of this level to go up, and I don't see like enough sellers to keep pushing it down. So I've been burned a lot of times in this chart. So now I learn to sit on my hands, which, as we know as traders, is a really hard job to do. See, they're defending the level, right? They're defending this level. So who is going to be buyers or sellers, right? No clear direction yet. You see how they're beautifully dancing around this. Like, I want to take a long, but I'm worried that they're going to accumulate here and then flush down. So the VWAP, it's the rejection of VWAP was a 780. Yeah, so that was around this area. And the volume is very low, honestly. Like, I'm checking for the open volume because the contract will expire in 7 days too. What a beautiful long trade. So I'm waiting for retracement to here for me to take a long, right? But I haven't taken any long yet, or short per se. See, things like that happen. The trade leaves without you. He leaves without you. It's okay. And that's why we don't chase, because it always retraces back. So back to the level. Let's see what's going to do around this level. Is it going to break it down, or... Looking at the bigger time frame, when you see me looking around, looking at the bigger time frame, it's more pressure down, so more like, looks like bears are control today. So I'm gonna put a short. I want to see if it breaks this right here. So the short at 640. If it reaches me. If it's not, that's fine. I want to see if they're gonna go test this line. So now we just wait. It says that Intel and AMD are up. So yeah, it's a day before the IPO. So I think that's why the volume is a little bit lower, because money going somewhere else, right? To the IPOs. All right, I have a question for you guys. Do you want to switch to Discord so you guys can talk too? That's good. The buyer's defending this. Okay. All right. Might want to put a long right here and cancel my short. Let's see. That's fine. Okay. I cancel my short, you guys. All right, let's switch to the Discord so you guys can talk. I haven't taken any trade yet. And let's switch to Discord so we can have an open mic. All right, guys? Let's do that. I'll see you there